Hey guys, in today's video we made a giant fidget trading board. Look at how big it is. We did it in the middle of the road since it's a giant one, and we're only gonna be using giant stuff to trade. That's why we're using the huge trading board. We're going to be using some chalk and some spray chalk to make all the lines in different details. My dad, he's making all the lines with the normal chalk, and then we're gonna put some of the spray chalk on top. But before showing to you guys how this is gonna look like, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any videos. Also, make sure to leave 20,000 likes so we can make other videos like this giant one. Now let's paint and let's see how it's gonna look like.
A few moments later.
Everything is ready, and now let's start doing our biggest fidget toy trading. Let's start with rock, paper, scissors to see who's gonna start trading. So rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yeah, she won. Valentina won. So she's gonna start getting hers, and then you guys will see the rest of the video. I hope you like it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up.